In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export data in QuickBooks Online. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to get a clean export of your reports or lists into Excel. First, make sure you're logged in to your QuickBooks Online account and that you're on the main dashboard. At the very top right of the screen, look for the small gear icon. This is sometimes called the Settings or Tools icon. Go ahead and click that. This gear menu is where QuickBooks keeps a lot of the behind-the-scenes options, including exports. Once the menu opens, look for the section labeled Tools. Under this column, you'll see an option called Export Data. Click on Export Data to open the Export Settings page. This is the central place where you'll control what information you want to take out of QuickBooks. On the Export page, you'll see two main tabs near the top, one for Reports and one for Lists. Reports are things like your profit and loss, balance sheet, and other summary or detailed financial reports. Lists are more like reference data, such as your customers, vendors, chart of accounts, and products or services. Decide what you need, then click on either the Reports tab or the Lists tab to choose your export type. Next, set the date range for your export using the date filter. This is especially important for reports because it determines which transactions and periods are included. You might choose something like this year, last month, or a custom date range. Take a moment to confirm that the start and end dates match the time period you actually want to export, so you don't miss any data or pull too much. Below the date range, you'll see sliders or toggles next to different reports or lists. Use these sliders to turn on only the items you want to include in your export. For example, you might enable your profit and loss and balance sheet, but turn off other reports you don't need. For lists, you might just export your customers and products. Being selective keeps your exported file smaller and easier to work with later. When everything looks good, click the button labeled Export to Excel. QuickBooks will now prepare your data. After a moment, your browser will download a .zip file that contains all of the Excel files you selected. You can usually find this file in your Downloads folder. Just unzip it, open the spreadsheets in Excel or another compatible program, and you're ready to review, share, or back up your QuickBooks data.